everyone, it's KyReviews, and today I will be reviewing this sensational unit. This is a part of their What Lace collection, so if you're interested in this unit, then please keep on watching. So in today's video, I have this unit from Sensational. This is a part of their What Lace collection, and her name is Raveena 28 inches. This unit is very long. As you all can tell off camera, she is quite long. She is a very long unit. So if you all are interested, you can definitely go check her out if you're into long wigs. But before I get into my thoughts, let's get into the specs of this unit. So this unit is a 13x6, so you do get a lot of parting space, and the parting space here is at the crown of my head. So it is quite long, well, to the crown of my head, so it's quite long. And of course, you can part this any which way you would like. This is a synthetic unit, so you can definitely go ahead and apply heat to it. You just can't dye it or anything like that. Now, as far as the internals of the cap, it does come with 3 combs, 2 at the front, 1 at the back with adjustable straps, and there's also an adjustable band, so that way you can have extra security with this unit. So that way you could go with a glueless install, or you could glue this up if you would like. Now let's get into my thoughts about this unit. This one isn't my favorite out of all of the units. This is not one of my favorites, simply because it is quite, it does shed a little bit, and I have passed through my hands quite a few times with this, and it did shed. Of course, you do expect it when you cut the lace, but a little bit after that, it was still shedding. So I'm not sure if it's the unit I received, but it did shed quite a bit. And it does tangle at the ends. I mean, this stuff is expected with a very long unit. It is 28 inches, so you would expect it with that. I did put some water in there, so it did tame it a little bit, and I did not apply any heat to it because the parting space is so flat. It's like it seems as if I did go in with some heat, but I didn't do anything to it, so it's quite good. I do love that about this wig. It is nice and flat right out of the box, so there's nothing much you need to do with this unit as far as that goes. But in terms of like the shedding, that's what really kind of was a little bit much for me, but I'm not used to it as much because these units are quite good these days. But well, it's expected, I suppose, because of the length, but I wasn't expecting it after the lace cutting. But other than that, I do like the color of this unit. This is a part of their new colors that they do have, and the one I have is a gold color, and it's throughout the unit. It's not as much as prominent at the top, but at the bottom of the unit, as you all can tell, she is this nice golden gold color. As you all can tell in the stock card, they do have all the colors that are featured, including the one that I have, which is the color Melt Gold. That's a part of their collection. And out here, this is what the model has on. It does look good on her also. And you could also do different styles and things like that with this, because of course it is a 13x6. So all in all, this unit, the color is pretty, the length is nice. I would like to see this in like a straight color. That would be a straight, I should say a straight style. This will look pretty good, especially with this color. So thank you so much, Sensational, for allowing me to review this unit. I truly appreciate it. And also don't forget to follow me on all of my social media platforms. Links will be down below, as well as links to this unit will be down below. And I will see you all in another video. Take care. Bye.